Hello, how to solve this nice math problem? X plus y is equal to 9, then xy is equal to 81. We quickly want to solve this problem. X plus y is equal to 9 and sy is equal to 81. We are going to check our answer at the end of this question. Step 1, we want to express y in terms of x. That is, from the first equation, we can express y in terms of x. This is the first equation and this is the second equation. So if we express y in terms of x, y is equal to 9 minus x. Y is equal to 9 minus x. Then we want to substitute y into the second equation. That is, here we substitute for y. Anyway, we see y, we put 9 minus x. Then now we can substitute y into this second equation. Xy is equal to 81. Then s bracket 9 minus x is equal to 81. We put the value of y here, which is 9 minus x. Then the step 3 is we want to expand and rearrange the equation. Expanding this gives 9x minus x squared is equal to 81. That is 9 times x, then that is 9x x multiplied by minus x, that is minus x squared, is equal to 81. Then we want to bring this 81 the other side, that is rearranging it to standard quadratic form. Minus x squared plus 9x minus 81 is equal to 0. Then we want to multiply the entire equation by minus 1 to make the leading coefficient positive. This x squared is the leading coefficient. That is, we have x squared minus 9x plus 81 is equal to 0, because if you multiply by minus 1 times minus x squared, it will give you x squared. Minus 1 multiplied by 9x, it will give you minus 9x, and then minus 1 multiplied by minus 81, that will give you plus 81. Then we want to, step 4 is to solve the quadratic equation. We want to solve this using quadratic general formula, and the quadratic general formula is given as s is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. In our equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 9, and then c is equal to 81, which is the constant there. Then the first we want to calculate the discriminant, because this is the discriminant, b squared minus 4ac. Then when we calculate it, b is minus 9, we have minus 9 squared minus 4 multiplied by a is 1 multiplied by c is 81, which is equal to 81 minus 324. Minus 9 squared is 81. 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 81, that is 324. Then if you subtract 81 from 324, we have minus 243. Since the discriminant is negative, minus 243, it indicates that there are no real solution and the solution will be complex. Step 5, we want to find the complex solutions. Now we will calculate the complex solution. S is equal to minus bracket minus 9 plus or minus square root of minus 243, then divided by 2 multiplied by 1. This is equal to minus times minus 9, that will be plus 9, then plus or minus square root of minus 243 is now square root of 243i, because square root of minus 1 is equal to I. Everything divided by 2. Then we want to simplify the square root of 243. Square root of 443 is equal to square root of 81 multiplied by 3. And then square root of 81 is 9. Then root 3 multiplied by root 3, that is root 3. So we have 9 root 3. Thus, we have s is equal to 9 plus or minus 9 square root of 3i divided by 2. This is the value of x. Step 6, we want to find y. Using the expression for y, that is, y is equal to 9 minus x. Then we substitute for x. Anywhere you see x, we put this 9 plus or minus 9 square root of 3i divided by 2. Then here we have y is equal to 9 minus 9 plus or minus 9 square root of 3i divided by 2. This is equal to 18 divided by 2 minus 9 plus or minus 9 square root of 3i divided by 2. And this is equal to 9. Then we have minus plus 9 square root of 3i divided by 2. So, and the final result is s is equal to 9 plus 9 root 3i divided by 2, and then y is equal to 9 minus 9 root 3i divided by 2. Also, we have s2, which is 9 minus 9 root 3i divided by 2, and then y2 is equal to 9 plus 9 root 3i divided by 2. Thus, the pair of complex solution is, that is s1 comma y1 is equal to 9 plus 9 root 3i divided by 2, and then comma 9 minus 9 root 3i divided by 2. We can see that this is the value of s1 comma y1. And then the second one, s2 comma y2 is equal to 9 minus 9 root 3i divided by 2 comma 9 plus 9 root 3i divided by 2. So we want to check the solution to know if it is right or wrong. Let's quickly check. Check. Now let's verify that the complex solution satisfies the original equation. Check x plus y is equal to 9. Adding x and y, then we want to add the value of x and y. Now, if you add x and y, x plus y is equal to 9 plus 9 square root of 3i divided by 2 bracket. Then we open the bracket and close it, plus open bracket 9 minus 9 square root of I divided by 2, close the bracket. This is equal to open bracket 9 plus 9 square root of 3i, then close the bracket, plus open bracket 9 minus 9 square root of 3i, we close the bracket, divided by 2. Then this will cancel this. As we can see, we have 9 plus 9, that is 18, divided by 2, which is equal to 9. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 9, which also satisfies the given equation, because the left hand side s plus y, which is equal to the right hand side, which is 9. Also, let's check for the product. Xy is equal to 81. Let's check. Xy is equal to 81. We want to calculate the xy. Xy is equal to 9 plus 9 square root of 3i divided by 2 bracket 9 minus 9 square root of 3i divided by 2. So we want to multiply the two. If you multiply, we have sy is equal to bracket 9 plus 9 square root of 3i, then bracket 9 minus 9 square root of 3i divided by 4. That is 2 multiplied by 2. That is 4. Here, which is equal to 9 square minus 9 minus bracket 9 square root of 3i all to the power of 2 divided by 4. Then this is equal to 81 minus 81.3 multiplied by minus 1. That is I square is equal to minus 1. I square is equal to minus 1. So divided by 4, which is equal to 81 plus 243 divided by 4. And this is equal to 243, which is equal to 324. 81 plus 240. 81 plus 243, this is equal to 324 divided by 4, and this is equal to 81. So which satisfy the given equation. Therefore, the left hand side xy is equal to 81, which is equal to the right hand side, which is 81. Therefore, the summary, both condition x plus y is equal to 9 and xy is equal to 81 satisfy with the complex solution. X is equal to 9 plus 9 square root of 3i divided by 2, and then y is equal to 9 minus 9 square root of 3i divided by 2. Thus, the solution are absolutely correct. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel.